Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. So we got an update on the i5 Skylake build, or the Skylake build. See that power wire that's just wrapping around the front? Our goal is to basically change that. So what I did was I went to Fry's and I got a Rain Max extension. And what I didn't realize is at the store they have all these different colors. So I got red to match the case. So what I'm thinking is we can get more extensions and at least those three main power wires for the power supply, for the 24 pin, and for the graphics card. Let's just swap them out for red. They look really sweet. Yeah, so that plug was also causing a lot of stress onto the board. You know, it's pretty tight. I don't know why they don't make it longer. I mean, they should. I mean, it's a ATX power supply, so I don't understand. But hey, you know, sometimes it happens. Yeah, but I really like this shiny red coating that they have, and for only $6 a wire, it's pretty sweet. And yeah, the green really doesn't look good. So for the bottom there, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet as far as that sleeving goes. The green one, I may just cut it, or any suggestions? Maybe just cut it off and then put a red one on, or maybe do black. We'll see. But what I like about this PSU is that the wires for the PSU are a lot thicker than the extensions. Or maybe I should just put a black cover on them. I don't know yet. But fast forward, the second update that we have is I put a fan controller in finally, and this is only 30 bucks. So I can individually control each fan now manually. I only have 4 fans in the system, and there's also an SD card reader, there's a temperature reader, there's alarms. So thanks for watching. I think next video we're going to talk about wiring, and we're going to, color match it to the system.